Facebook Messenger ads are a way for you to contact your followers without spamming them one by one. It is a great tool to engage with your potential customer and allow them to feel comfortable asking you questions that isn't already said on your social media account or website. So to create a Facebook Messenger ad, first you're going to click on Create. And then for the marketing objective, you're going to click on Messages. Create a campaign name, a daily budget, and then click on Set Up Ad Account. Okay, here you're going to make sure everything is correct and then press Continue. Up at the top, you're going to create an ad set name. So you have two types of messenger ads in this example. You have click to messenger and sponsored message. With click to messenger, you can create an ad, and then when they click on the ad, it sends them directly to the messenger, the DM, on Facebook or Instagram. This works best for international customers because a lot of international customers use the WhatsApp app. And then you have Instagram Direct. Instead of clicking on your ad and it going to your website or your Spotify account or anywhere else, it will go directly into your Instagram Messenger. And this is a way for you to engage with your customer without spamming them. So we're going to choose Instagram Direct. To create an audience and choose a location. If you do not know which location you should target your audience to, go to Facebook Audience Insights or Google Trends. Here, our audience is defined because the needle is right in the middle, but our potential reach is 18 million people. We want to get that number down because we save money by targeting the right people. So we're going to scroll down and enter the age, gender, and detailed targeting. So for example, let's say your digital product is an album and you are an R&B singer and you sound and dance like Usher and Neo. So we're going to say that we want to target people who like R&B and narrow the audience to target people who also like Usher, and narrow further by targeting people who also like Neo. And you see here, we cut that number down to 13,000 people. And you can cut it down further if you like by continuing to narrow down further in targeting your audience. After you do this, you're going to scroll down and go to manual placements. And since this is an Instagram Direct ad, the only checkbox would be Instagram. But if you scroll up and go back to Messenger, and go to manual placements, you'll see that both Facebook and Instagram are checked. And then you can uncheck whichever one you do not want to put your ad on. And if you go to sponsored ad, you would select the page the Facebook page that you are using. And for this, you'll see that the only box that's checked is Messenger. For now, we're going to stick to Instagram Direct. You'll press continue, create an ad name, and then you're going to identify which Instagram account is going to receive the messages. Choose the format. You have an option between the carousel or the single image of video. Then you're going to add the media. And here is where you'll put the text explaining you want them to click the link so that they could send you a message and start the dialogue. And then for the call to action, you see it's already defaulted as send message. Scroll down, and then you're going to click confirm.